My dad can't find out about this. I'm like,
we're not going to tell anybody. How old are you?
I am 22.
In Florida, an employee was caught attempting to steal hundreds of dollars from the register, but a vigilant manager stopped him just in time. Daytona Beach Shores, 2023 police quickly respond to launch an investigation. Security footage captured the employee visibly putting money in his pocket.
So the guy up front, he's got him. He's been short. How much are you short now?
436, I don't maybe $6.
Right.
Okay. And he started watching video, and he has it. We found a couple so far where you can visibly see him putting the money in his pocket.
Are you guys wanting to pursue criminal charges?
Yes.
Okay.
And then he's going to pocket that part.
Hey, boss. Come here for a second. Hey! Come here for a second. My dad's in the car. You're not leaving right now. You're not free to go. Come on out here. Come on out here. You don't get weapons, firearms, anything like that on you?
No.
Okay, come on over here and talk to me. You can't leave till after you talk to me. You're not free to go. You understand that? Okay. Anybody back over here? You cool? Is your dad? What happened?
In the car accident.
Okay. Okay.
Exactly.
All right, you know why I'm out here?
Nah, I have a feeling though.
Okay. Do you have any firearms, weapons on you?
No, man, just do it.
Okay. Just put your hand over there. I'm just going to put your backpack over to the side, all right? Let's set this down. Just relax your arms. Just relax, man. I just got to talk to you, okay? Let me read you something first, okay? And then if you want to be honest with me, I'll work with you. Just give me some space. I don't like
I'll be real honest. I already know right here.
All right, but let me read you something, okay? Does not mean you're going to jail or anything like that. Damn, I read you?
Yeah.
Okay, with that being said, are you willing to talk to me about this? What's going on here?
Right here.
Can you say yes or no?
Yeah.
Okay, why do you think I'm here?
Because I have took some money.
Okay, that's why I'm here.
Yeah.
Like I said, doesn't mean we're going to take you to jail, but do you know how much you took?
I honestly don't, but I can tell you the reason I took it, and that was great. But I cannot go to jail. I promise.
Well, I didn't say you would.
Yeah,
right now, what I see, it may or may not arise to that. It may just be a court date, but no.
Okay, so I took some money, right?
Okay.
I am currently in college.
Sure.
The film cooking.
Yeah, I know exactly.
My dad is single.
Okay.
And he has to pay for college for all of us, so he's kind of struggling.
I got you.
So I owe some. In order for me to continue to go to college.
You got your ID on you?
Yeah.
I'm just going to give this officer so we can call. So, was it like to continue your education?
Yes. That's why I took it. I probably took no less than, I don't know, probably under $1,000, I think.
Right.
So I can pay it back however, but I'm this close to finishing school.
Okay, we'll figure it out. We'll see what's going on. I'm going to see what the store wants to do and everything. I do have you on video taking some of it.
Yeah,
I don't know the whole amount. Two different days that I've seen so far. Just keep your hand in your pocket.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
I know you don't have these things and stuff like that. I appreciate you being honest with me.
Yeah, man. What I did was stupid, and I take full responsibility.
Hey, mistakes happen.
I was doing dumb, and I didn't finish.
Okay.
I think they were going to kick me out.
Okay.
I'm this close to finishing school.
What are you taking in school?
Computer information technology.
Okay. That's a good field to be in.
Yeah.
Well, hang tight. We'll figure out what's going on. Like I said, you're just being detained for now. You're not under arrest. I don't know if any of that would arise to anything that would need that. Sometimes what happens is you get arrested on scene, released on scene with a court date. But let me see what the store wants to do, okay?
Law enforcement detains the suspect who initially denies wrongdoing but soon faces mounting evidence. Questions about his actions and the circumstances unfold, revealing a young man under pressure.
I didn't think so.
I was just nervous.
I don't blame you.
I should have told him when I did it, but
hey, mistakes happen, and I'll put it to you this way: it takes a big man to admit when they're wrong.
I need the money, man.
I got you. I get it. Everybody's made mistakes.
Yeah, 17 years of first marriage.
There you go.
Did you guys want to fire him? I just want to make sure on that.
Yeah. He's only been with us for like 2 weeks.
Okay. And then, do you guys want him trespassed also?
Yeah.
The suspect admits to taking money, citing financial struggles and responsibilities like college tuition. He expresses regret and a willingness to make amends, while officers review the full extent of the theft captured on video.
There's no way I can talk to him.
We'll explain to you what they're saying. I'm going to put 2 of these cuffs on you, just so it doesn't hurt your arms, because you're a big guy, right?
I get the impression that they don't want to hear it. I understand the reasons what you've told me. Although I disagree with them, I understand them.
Can I, please talk to them? Please.
Okay, no,
I'll bring one out here.
Hang tight.
But that conversation will be very, very short. I can tell you what they just told me. They're fired and they're trespassing on the property. I don't believe they're going to be... Whatever story you provide is not going to be well received. You see what I'm saying?
Hold on.
I'll ask if they want to, but they don't have to.
He's going to go find out.
He's requesting to speak with somebody to plead his case in hopes of not being arrested.
Oh, no.
Well, hang on. Do you care to hear it?
Sure. I don't care. He's gonna get arrested regardless, so it doesn't matter if we hear it.
Well, that's the thing. I would if it's not going to change your opinion, there's no reason for him to talk to anybody.
Cool. Then we won't.
Okay. Are they double locked?
They are.
Okay. So nothing you say is going to change their opinion. Okay.
Buy your car. We'll figure out what you need. Okay. All right, man. You good, Leslie? You got me for a minute.
You're killing me right now. You parked in a disabled person's park, so.
I got a handicap tag.
Okay.
Is it for you?
My little brother.
If it's not for you, then you
Not
can't
how
park
it
there.
works.
Yeah.
So that
Unless you're able to bond out. So we'll explain that to you.
Yep.
Hang on. Yeah. So this is what happens. We go back to our station. We already got basically the information from you. The officer types it up. I come in, I read it.
Yep.
It looks good to me. We didn't miss a comment or something.
Yep.
You get taken out to the county, where you get in processed. If you're able to bond out, you can bond out from there.
How much? I asked him how much.
The rights of the suspect are read clearly. While some responses show reluctance, the officers maintain professionalism and keep the process moving towards resolution.
And then you can get a bail bondsman, and that's 10%, which is like $150.
As of right now, we're the only people who know about this.
Yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Like my dad can't find out about this.
Well, we're not going to tell anybody. How old are you?
I am 22.
We're not going to tell him. He would have to do a lot of research to find that. You know, no one's
He's
going to
probably going to call my phone or something. Just let it go to voicemail.
Oh, yeah.
Also, make sure that they're double locked.
Yeah, we'll check again.
With an estimated theft of under $750, charges are pursued as confidentiality about the incident is maintained, reflecting the seriousness but also the sensitivity of the case.
I'm being detained for a theft investigation.
I'm 10-12.
Hey.
Stand up, come with me.
What happened? I don't have nothing.
Let's go.
I don't have anything, sir.
What do you mean?
On April 19th, 2024, undercover officers observed a coordinated theft at a premium outlet, targeting the True Religion store. Watch closely as 3 suspects work together to bypass store security. One suspect skillfully removes security tags using a magnetic device, while the others distract store staff. Their carefully planned moves are caught by undercover officers prepared to act.
The one with the black shirt? I'm 10-12.
Hey.
Stand up, come with me.
What happened? I don't have nothing.
Let's go.
I don't have anything, sir.
What do you mean you don't have anything?
I don't know. What else could you be grabbing me for?
Okay, you have this.
My phone? For
Ma'am,
what?
give me your phone.
Listen to him. You're being detained for a theft investigation. So just comply. Just comply. Just comply. You're being detained for a theft investigation.
On the phone. I'm on the phone with my job.
Okay. It's hung up.
Go with him. I got her. I got her.
Officers make contact and detain the 3 women, quickly beginning their questioning. Despite denials, the evidence starts to mount against them.
You're being detained for a theft investigation. Stop. Give me a hand. Alright, so we're about to find out. I think we got off your detained. those your cards? Can you take them out?
I'm getting the bag off her wrist for now. Is that comfortable?
Take the bag off or no?
Step up here, you're gonna listen to the officer's direction.
All right. We're gonna lean up against the car, okay?
You see everybody?
Another like shirt and khaki shorts heading back.
Alright, just hang up by the car.
Searches reveal the magnetic device used to disable security tags, a serious offense adding to the theft charges. Officers meticulously catalog the evidence as the investigation deepens.
Guzman, group text that they have felony charges. They need that approval real quick.
Felony charge? What is that?
I don't know. They said they had felony on the guy they took. So
Okay.
they need approval.
Okay.
All this is there. This one? You want it off?
No, these are my coach skills. These are mine. I came in tomorrow with you.
So the name is going to be Delta.
She wants to sit in with you guys. I'm gonna take the seatbelt off. If you guys can just all, it's gonna be a little uncomfortable, but she wants to do it.
Can you do me a favor?
Yeah.
Please scratch your leg. Like this down a little bit.
Scratch?
Yes.
Alright. Put the windows down.
So
So
you
it's
gotta
on.
put
Yeah, and I'll put the windows down.
The one that from earlier had 2 prior convictions. Just FYI. The guy that they caught earlier.
Suspects are read their rights, and some choose to remain silent while others are
Yeah,
questioned.
that's why I was feeling it.
The tension rises over the consequences of their actions.
A few questions. All I need is a verbal yes or no. All right. So you have the right to remain silent. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Anything you say may be used against you in court. Do you understand?
Yeah.
Reading your rights. Do you want to talk to me about today?
Do I want to wait?
Do you want to answer some questions I have for you about today?
Other than what I asked you.
Huh?
Well, no, not that important. No.
So you don't wish to talk to me?
Huh?
So you don't wish to talk to
No.
me? Okay. Speak to you first. Alright, so just ask you some questions. All I need is
With over $826 worth of merchandise stolen, the suspects now face grand theft retail charges. Those caught with anti-shoplifting devices face additional felonies, underlining law enforcement's commitment to deterring crime.